Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust valves on an EZGO golf cart. This process ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, preventing common performance issues. We'll cover everything from preparation to final testing, making sure you understand each step clearly. Proper valve adjustment is crucial for engine longevity and optimal power output. So let's get started with the essentials. Before you begin, ensure the engine is cool to the touch. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery cable first. Next, locate and remove the valve cover, which typically involves a few bolts. You'll then need to rotate the engine by hand until the piston of the cylinder you're working on is at top dead center on its compression stroke. This positions the valves correctly for adjustment. With the engine at top dead center, take your 0.004-inch feeler gauge. Slide it between the rocker arm and the top of the valve stem. If it's too tight or too loose, you'll need to adjust. Loosen the lock nut on the adjuster screw, then turn the screw until the feeler gauge has a slight, consistent drag. Once set, carefully tighten the lock nut, ensuring the adjuster screw does not move, then recheck the clearance. After adjusting all valves, it's time for reassembly. Replace the valve cover, making sure the gasket is properly seated to prevent oil leaks. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your EZGO golf cart and listen carefully for any excessive ticking or knocking sounds, which could indicate an incorrect adjustment. A properly adjusted engine should run noticeably smoother and quieter, with improved power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.